What if I told you that your civil engineering team's next big project could span continents, but a single overlooked skill gap might derail everything? Imagine delays from tech mismatches, cultural misunderstandings, or compliance issues driving costs into the millions, and it's more common than you think. Today, we'll explore a practical readiness checklist. From mastering technology and cultural agility to smart project management and effective outsourcing. Have you faced these global hurdles before? Share your story in the comments. Let's begin with the technological foundation, the true driver of cross-border success. In international projects, technology is not just a tool, but the bridge connecting engineering teams across different countries. Software like BIM, Civil 3D, and GIS provides a shared language, ensuring everyone works from the same design and data set. Without compatible tools, teams risk misaligned information, stalled deliveries, and unnecessary cost overruns. That's why investing in training, testing interoperability, and integrating AI-powered processes are non-negotiable for any team aiming to compete globally. Beyond technology, the human factor, especially cultural understanding, is equally critical. Subtle differences in language, work expectations, or even time management can easily lead to larger conflicts. Engineers who thrive in global projects are not only technically skilled but also empathetic communicators, capable of building trust with diverse partners. Cross-cultural training sessions, transparent feedback systems, and an open mindset transform potential friction into collaborative strength. Regulatory compliance and quality management also cannot be overlooked. Every country has its own codes for construction, land use, and environmental protection. A global project can stall quickly if teams ignore these requirements or lack proper quality control systems. Clear kickoff meetings, milestone tracking, and regular reviews establish transparency while ensuring that deliverables meet both legal and sustainability standards. For a concrete example, take AXA engineers. In the Mitchell Mill project in the US, AXA engineers applied Civil 3D to handle complex terrain across a 600-acre site, while coordinating closely with local stakeholders to ensure sustainable design outcomes. In another collaboration with Lovis Engineering, their responsive communication and technical precision allowed the client to focus on growth strategy without worrying about drafting errors. These cases show that when technology, cultural agility, and compliance are aligned, global barriers become opportunities for competitive advantage. Finally, smart outsourcing strategies play a decisive role. Rather than managing everything in-house, many firms leverage engineering partners to expand capacity, ease schedule pressures, and cut costs. Done right through pilot projects, iterative adjustments, and integration, outsourcing becomes a catalyst for faster, more efficient global delivery. Global readiness, therefore, is not the product of a single factor, but the result of integrating modern technology, cultural awareness, and rigorous compliance management. AXA Engineers serves as just one example of how the right approach enables civil engineering teams to turn global challenges into opportunities for leadership. So, on a scale of 1 to 10, where would you place your team's readiness for global projects? Drop your score in the comments and let's discuss. Subscribe to AXA Engineers for more insights on outsourcing, tech trends, and project wins that keep you ahead. What's your take on global readiness? Share your perspective below. We're building this community together. Your next breakthrough could be just a partnership away.